Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT R15 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, so let's do it, and now let's tap on the display. Here we've got the wallpaper option, so let's enter, and now we can decide from which album you'd like to choose the wallpaper from. We can choose it from live wallpapers. Of course, if you will have any compatible files, they will appear right there. You can choose something from Google Photos, but actually it is your gallery if you've got the Google account added to this device. And we can choose it from the regular wallpapers which have been pre-installed here. So let me pick something from the wallpapers, and as you can see here, we've got the list of wallpapers from which we can choose. If you'd like to check the preview of it, simply tap on it and it will appear right here. What's more, you can tap on My Photos and obviously you will be transferred to your own gallery, and you will be able to set the photo as a wallpaper. So let me pick, for example, maybe this one, and if you are happy with your choice, just tap on Save Wallpaper right here. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I think I will pick both, so simply tap on the option you'd like to use. And we have to wait a second, I suppose. Okay, now we can go back to our home page, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your CUBOT R15 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.